Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well today. I'm doing good. I hope everyone is blessed. I am blessed. So I'm going to read my scripture for today. It's coming to you from Colossians 2:10. And ye are complete in him. For we, though the Spirit waits for the hope of righteousness by faith. Galatians 5:5. So thank you for reading of my scripture today. And I'm getting ready to make cornbread cake. And I'm going to be using the Duncan Hines butter golden cake moisture. So here it is. That's what I'll be using. So I've already just using the directions that I make the cake out of. So I have 3 full cups of water that I already have in here. And I'm going to be pouring the mix in here now.
Okay, y'all, she makes the recipe before a lot of times, but she does it from scratch. We found this online, so we're gonna see how this one, because I know a lot of people don't have time, and this is something quick and easy.
Okay, so now I have 3 large eggs. Large eggs.
And y'all just do the recipe according to the cake box mix. And the recipe also say you have to have that one certain type of Duncan Hines cake. Give me the box, please. And the recipe says you have to have this one exact cake, Duncan Hines butter golden.
Okay. So now I have my butter. I have melted my butter. It's 7 tablespoons of butter. It's almost a whole stick.
Yeah, just follow the direction on the box. It'll tell you all of that on the box. Thank you.
Okay. Now, now.
Okay, y'all, and it also calls for 2 boxes of Jiffy Cornbread mix. 2 boxes of Jiffy Cornbread mix. And like I said, it's a recipe she just trying because she's always made it from scratch. So y'all are trying it along with her. Okay, y'all, and y'all just follow the recipe on the boxes. That's all you have to do. Just follow the recipes on the box.
And now I'm going to put my eggs in.
Just some milk.
Beat this up.
You gotta get. Okay, y'all. Make sure when y'all make it in 2 separate bowls. The cake, and then the cornbread, and then you're gonna fold the cornbread into the cake mixture. Okay, y'all. The next step, she's gonna take the cornbread and fold it into the cake mix with the spatula. She's gonna pour half of it in, and then she's gonna pour the other half in.
Yeah. Fold the rest of this in. Okay. Now I'll. Yeah.
That's just spread the pan.
Okay. This is a 12, 18 inch. It holds what I've got, 18.
This is an 18-quart cake pan. This is an Angel Food cake pan.
It's right in there.
Yeah, y'all cook this in the cast iron skillet in the oven, or you can cook it with the round cake pans, or she's just doing it like this today. We're gonna see how, like I said, it's a new recipe that we making with y'all. So okay, y'all, she's gonna put in the oven on 350, and she's gonna check it in 30 minutes and see where it's going. And once it come out, we'll let you know the exact how many minutes, if you put it in the pan like this, exact how many minutes you have to cook it. All right, thank you. We'll be back.
Okay. I'm fixing to cut your piece. Okay.
Here it is, y'all.
All right. This is the texture. This is the way it looks. And it looks like it's very good. I'm going to cut just a little bite off.
Here it is, y'all.
It looks like it smells good. But it have to do with a good pan, too.
Yeah, this is so good. So good. And she made this in the 18-ounce angel food cake pan.
18 cup.
18 quarts, I'm sorry.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, this is so good. Really good. And I'm gonna leave the frosting prescription, in the description box to go with it. Yeah, this is real good. I done had hers from scratch, and this is real good. Baby. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all make this for Christmas and Thanksgiving and whenever else. It's very good.
This is really good, you guys. Off the chain.
Baby, off the chain, off the chain, off the chain. But the kids say it be busting. It's busting.
My. Always make you want to hit somebody.
Yeah, this is good. This is very good. It really is very, very good. You're supposed to put butter on it, on the top of it when it come out the oven. But we forgot to put the butter on top of it. Put the butter and then you put the frosting on top of that. It's so good though, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I thought the one she made from scratch was good, but this one right here is off the chain. And it don't take as many as the ingredient.
It is so good. Oh. My.
Okay.
So thank you all. Please try it. You will enjoy it.
Yes.
This is Miss Lena's kit from Miss Lena's Kitchen. The cornbread cake and the frosting will be in the description box. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.